Marketing strategies and techniques are constantly evolving. With so much advice and caution to follow, some contradictory, entrepreneurs can quickly become confused about what works and what they should avoid. This can lead to entrepreneurs making critical marketing mistakes, particularly those just starting. Check out these common mistakes to ensure you're doing it correctly. Not having a clear vision. You must have a vision before you begin. Just as architects create blueprints before constructing a building, you must clearly understand what you want. I want to start my own profitable business is a good starting point, but there are many factors to consider before diving into marketing. What is your name? What industry do you work in? Are you going to sell something, and if so, what will it be? Why are you starting this business? Is what you have to offer in demand? These are just a few questions to get to the heart of your vision. Not knowing your target customers. Effective marketing entices action. You must deliver the right message to the right audience in the right way. Successful entrepreneurs are hardwired to think big and obsess over creating exceptional products or services. A successful marketing strategy, on the other hand, is based on first narrowly identifying the customer and what they care about, then figuring out the rest. When marketing, keep your customers in mind at all times and keep track of your analytics to see who is paying attention. Not using social media. Social media channels offer a variety of free ways for content marketers to reach a large audience, but we often misuse the cutting-edge tools at our disposal. Just because you dislike Facebook or don't comprehend how Twitter works don't mean you should abandon social media. If you want to be successful in this day and age, you must also be aware that few people do their shopping, or even get their news, from the pages of a newspaper. We're passing up easy opportunities by not understanding our audience, paying attention to our competitors, and engaging with social users. Scheduling posts on the most effective social sites will help your reach efforts tremendously, as will observing how your audience interacts with your content to ensure you're posting what they want. Not tracking results. New and experienced entrepreneurs frequently fail to track marketing campaigns in detail. Granular tracking is required to determine whether you effectively spend money online, on TV, in the newspaper, or on billboards. Ignoring proofreading. Mixing up words like there, and there is more than annoying for those of us who pay attention to grammar and spelling. It's an insult to the modern educational system. Another common error is the incorrect use of apostrophes, its versus its, and failing to make subjects and verbs agree in a sentence. Make use of a spell checker. Consider using the Grammarly browser extension. Check your content for grammar errors with another set of eyes, or two. Misspelled words and random apostrophes are the epitome of unprofessionalism in online content. Not being consistent. There is a high risk of failure if your imagery, vocabulary, or message are not consistent across platforms. A lack of consistency taints your brand's first impression on a potential consumer. Excessive experimenting with no research. Many entrepreneurs, and large corporations, play the spaghetti game, throw everything at the wall and see what sticks. Changing strategy and tactics repeatedly usually results in fewer sales. Please do your research to find a meaningful, compelling story about who you are in your market and stick with it. People develop trust and loyalty when they are familiar with you and what you consistently provide. Irrelevant content publication. Even if you put in the time and effort to write well-written articles supported by credible sources and optimized for SEO, your content marketing strategy will fail if you don't know your audience. It may sting your ego, but your readers, not you, determine whether your content is good. You must cater to their preferences if you want viewers to even click on your content, let alone read and engage with it. Ignoring competition. Someone else is likely doing the same thing you are. Instead of pretending they don't exist, find a way to stand out. Determine what makes your brand unique and highlight it on your website. What distinguishes you from the competition should be stated loud and clear on your website. Analysis paralysis. The marketing landscape in today's digital world has shifted to one that is quick, malleable, and incredibly flexible. Entrepreneurs must be willing to make decisions based on current data, run with it, learn from it, and adjust their strategy as they go. Waiting too long or analyzing too much leads to falling behind and missing out on current opportunities. Giving up after just one mistake. After one failure, it's natural to become disappointed or discouraged because you don't see the desired results. Take a step back and create a very solid differentiator if you believe you have something great that solves real problems. We hope you learned something in this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Etsy selling tips.